back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to do a challenge with my sister, and this is going to be the no mirror makeup challenge. So the rules of this challenge are very simple. We just have to do our makeup without using a mirror, which is going to be a bit tough. And for a twist, we have also added a time limit of 15. Now we are going to start with our makeup, and now I'm going to start the timer of 15 minutes. So 1, 2, 3, go. So this is Maybelline. So I and my sister both are using the Fit Me foundation. I'm using the shade 128, which is warm nude, and she has the different shade 228 soft tan. So if you're just trying this for the first time, then I prefer that you use the tube version of this because it's better, and this was suggested by her only. It's going to be very difficult because I cannot look because it will get blurry for me, but she can look in the phone and cheat and I don't want that to happen. I'm using the second product, which is my concealer. I'm using one from Oriflame and she's using from Maybelline.
This is Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser.
So
And this is 144 caramel tone.
this is, I just mentioned the shade of this one because I cannot get it right now. But yeah, so you might like it, like the concealer. This challenge is like a little difficult for me. I'm not that fast at makeup. So in the comment section, you can also tell me how did you feel about this video after watching it, and you can also give me suggestions if you have some in the comment section, and I'll surely try to incorporate them in my upcoming.
I have a duo stick by Faces Studio. This is also Maybelline product, and this has a contour and a highlighter. This is a highlighter. My Lakme Absolute Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Skin Lightening Compact. I will use this one.
We have 10 minutes left for this challenge and I'm lagging a bit. Basically set your makeup. Loose powder is also like setting for your makeup setting only, but compact like gives a reflective foundation. And for dancers, I recommend using Pancake at the beginning. It will give a different shine at the end of the makeup.
So now I have this blush with me. This is also Maybelline Color Show blush, and it's in the shade Peachy Sweetie. Yeah, Peachy Sweetie. This is the shade.
So now I'm going to do something which will go with my dress. So I'm going to take this like off. And I know that it is getting very messy right now, but I cannot do anything for that. And now I'm just gonna cover up this mirror and use a little brown from over here also, and just might give a smoky effect maybe. and a little golden to blend that.
Now I have used from this palette which she was using. I have used these three colors. This peach one, this some mustardy sort of color, and this black one. And I have put it my eye.
And also, if you want to look out for these products, you can reach out in my description and check the details of each of the products.
I'm using this Lakme Insta liner. This is water resistant liner, and this is very nice.
Now I'm going to be using my liner from Blue Heaven. I also have one from Oriflame. That's a pencil liner. Yeah, I think it will be more convenient to use this, but
Liner without mirror is like the toughest thing to do. This I have now. I have to use this mascara. This is Lakme Absolute Flutter Secrets Dramatic Eyes Mascara. This is also a good product, and so I'm using it.
so I'm going to use this final product for my eyes, which is the Hyper Curl Mascara from Maybelline. This is like my favorite product of all times. I don't have a card. So now I'm going to use my highlighter in my cheekbones and my nose, in the center of my nose. Okay, so suddenly the clip ended in the middle of nowhere. So yeah, in the last clip, I was just telling you this only, that this is from Revolution, and it has gone in its worst times because it is reacting. So this one was the contour and this is the highlighter. So I'm just going to use it a bit.
Yeah, so this was a quick hack which I used. That is, if you don't have a kachal, you can use this eyeshadow as a kachal below, like the black one, and just use it as a kachal.
Yeah, that'll definitely.
For lipstick, and I have two with me. This one is Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink, and it's in the shade 115. This is the pink shade. And I have one more Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick from Miniso, and it's in the shade Raspberry Wine. This is shade 1. So this is a super stay one, and I don't want to use a super stay one now, so I will use this one. This one is also very nice. The product is very nice from Miniso. I would recommend that if you want to buy a cheap product, any cheap cosmetic products, you can use the Miniso products. It's the quality is also very good, the product is very nice, and the price is also very cheap.
That will influence your makeup a lot. And ending towards my makeup, I use this nude Epigmatic nude lipstick from Oriflame again. I like this one. Now we are basically going to review our makeup, see our makeup. So here in my eyeshadow palette, I do have a mirror, and we can look into our makeups right now. And by saying that, I don't like my makeup quite much because I can do much better makeup. See. Yay! Her makeup is very nice. I do like the way there was no
Eyeliner is having some issues, but overall the makeup is fine, and I'm happy with the results. It's good. It's good. Only the liner issue.
But that a timer has also finished over here, and now I must say that her makeup is very nice, and I'm just a beginner. I'm still learning, but I want to say that if you can look in this eye, I really like the little smoky effect that's coming. That's like really nice because I have never done one. so I like it. It's got a like hint of blending, and when I do it with mirror, I like obviously master it. My eyeliner is just okay. There are still some issues, and the mascara has got all over my eyes. And she's like poking into the phone as if to show you guys that yes, I won this game. But according to you, tell me who won this game, because I know she looked at the like phone. But no problem, you can still comment down below and tell us who according to you won this game. And now finally we are gonna end with this video, and I want to say that make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one, and I'll meet you in my next video. So bye for now.